Hi there, the monster is back and this time it's got 5G, the Samsung M42. Also worth mentioning, this is the first M series device to get 5G. So let's unbox it and have a closer look at it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. So let's jump into the unboxing. You see the branding up here, the image of the phone, Samsung branding here. Towards the top, it says 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM. This is a Prism Dot Black. Towards the bottom here are some manufacturing details and the MRP is 24,999. Alright, let's open the box. Come on. Okay. We have something in here. The SIM ejector pin. Lots of paperwork, quick start guide, warranty card, but sadly no case. And there is the device itself. Wow, I love this dual tone, looks really nice. We'll check it out in just a moment. We have a standard 15-watt charger and a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. So this is a 6.6-inch Infinity U display. It has a 20 megapixel selfie camera on the front. Let's go towards the back and you can see this is the lovely Prism Dot Black color. And you can see the prism effect of the rainbow here. Looks really nice. The build quality and the finish is pretty good. You have a quad camera setup. Towards the top is the noise cancelling microphone. On the right is the power button and the volume rockers. And you have the SIM tray here. And you get a hybrid SIM slot, which means you can fit 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Towards the bottom is the USB-C port, microphone, speaker and a 3.5 headphone jack. That's something I truly appreciate in any phone. So that's great. The device weighs just 193 grams and though this is plastic, it really feels premium. I'm actually liking the build quality. The fingerprint scanner if you're looking for is actually in the display. Let's turn it on and have a look at it. So meanwhile we turn it on, let's have a quick glance at the specifications. Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G that supports 5G, 6.6-inch HD Plus S AMOLED display, 6GB RAM or 8GB RAM variants, 128GB internal storage, monster 5000 mAh battery and it's running Android 11. And we are ready and set up. Now this is a 6.6-inch Infinity U S AMOLED display and it has a resolution of 1600 by 720. Yes, this is an HD Plus resolution and it has a PPI of 266. But even with 266, the images are clear and the text is super sharp. As you can see here, the text is really clear. This is an S AMOLED, so super vibrant colors and deep blacks. Samsung nails it when it comes to the displays. It's one of the best and this doesn't disappoint. And you can see this is Samsung's One UI 3.1. It has a 60Hz refresh rate, however still it's really smooth. I would have preferred to have a full HD display and a 90Hz panel, but it's pretty okay. It's actually quite good. Now if I would tell you that this is 90Hz, probably you wouldn't even believe me. It's actually that smooth. Wow, there's just no lag. Let's see what apps we get along. Spotify, Netflix, all these are okay. The Byju's learning app, which isn't my favorite, but you can uninstall it easily. And it's smooth, easy, quick. You have the quick toggles on the top and my favorite, the dark mode. And the best part about having dark mode is that it saves power when you have dark display. Yes. Doesn't that look even much more better? Wow, that looks amazing. And that's quite smooth actually. And One UI is really nice. You can have shortcut for your apps here, you can preset it. It's really nice. People who have already used Samsung devices know what exactly are the benefits of One UI and it's really nice. It's been very well optimized. It's a beautiful display, looks really nice. Let's dive into the settings. Let's go into the display. You have the brightness, adaptive brightness. Screen mode is vivid. For those who don't like vivid colors can come to natural. And yeah, that's a little too plain for my choice. In fact, that's quite dull. So I would prefer, if you have an AMOLED display, why not just go for vivid? And that would look really nice. Let's just check out the version number. and you have one UI 3.1 and Android 11. And there you go, Android 11. The other good thing is that you also get Samsung Pay. Yes, this is the first device, M series device, to also get Samsung Pay. Yes, and Samsung Pay means without having any physical contact, you can make payment wirelessly to devices, and it'll be really good. Now let's have a look at the fingerprint scanner. So fingerprint scanner is a little low here. As you can see, I would have preferred it somewhere here, but it's on the lower side and it's quite fast and responsive. If you try to press directly, it takes a second, but it unlocks pretty quickly. There you go. But I would have preferred it being a little on the top, and somehow these fingerprint scanners are going really low, which I fail to understand why, but it's really responsive. If your screen is turned off and you press once, it'll even show you where it is, click and it'll unlock. The M42 has a single downfiring speaker and it gets quite loud. It's clear and sounds decent. Alright, it's time to check out the cameras. So the primary sensor is a 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor and 5 megapixel macro. So here are some pictures taken from the primary camera. The color reproduction is really good and the details in the images were truly impressive. The ultra-wide captures were surprisingly equally good. The dynamic range was spot on with the gorgeous skies. Check out these. The image processing does over-sharpen at times, but still looks quite good. Pictures taken during the day are nothing short than perfect with both these sensors. It can record videos at 4K, Full HD and even HD. Settings can be changed right from the camera. Here is a handheld video with super steady turn on and it's smooth as silk. Vloggers are just gonna love it. Took some pictures with night mode and they come out quite good. Here's a picture taken without the night mode and here's a picture with night mode turned on. There's a stark difference, but you need to keep your hand steady. Here are some portrait shots and the edge detection was quite good. Finally, coming to the 5 megapixel macro. It's super duper fun. The detail it captures along with the resolution is simply amazing. I can see a lot of Instagrammers actually enjoying this. Coming to the 20 megapixel selfie camera. Well, it even captures wide angle shots, so if you are in a group, you can get a pretty wide shot. The skin tones are pretty good, the images were clear and colorful. It did a very good job. You can record a full HD video as well. One thing is for sure, everyone is going to just love the cameras on this phone. So the Samsung M42 is a very well-rounded device. However, if I had to nitpick, a full HD display with a higher refresh rate and a faster charger would have just been perfect. However, the Snapdragon 750G with 5G capabilities is a good mid-range CPU with excellent performance. A super solid 5000 mAh battery that should last you for a day easily, probably even 2 with light use. Then there's Knox security, which is always a huge plus, and now even Samsung Pay, so quicker, safer way to make payments without physical contact. Samsung cameras have always been impressive and the M42 doesn't disappoint. The device is available in two variants, 6GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced at 21,999 and the 8GB RAM 128GB storage variant is priced at 23,999. But you can apply a 2,000 rupee discount coupon on Amazon, which means the price at checkout for a 6GB variant would be just 19,999. It's a great offer to grab. It's available in two colors, the Prism Dot Black and Grey. I'll leave the links of both the colors and all the variants in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.